Hello everyone, good morning. So today on 21st June, so we are trying to start with projects within Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And here is what the project description looks like. So you can pick any industry or any company. Any industry or any company surely will have a sign up program, or you can call them as a welcome program. Welcome program, onboarding. You can go with any name. I'll just go with the welcoming. When they sign up, we want to welcome them, or it is an onboarding process based on the project, company. If it is an insurance company, if it is an onboarding process for a new employee, you can take any example in that case. You have to bring all those things into picture. So it's a sign up program, and we want to welcome them when they sign up for the first time on the website. Do they sign up? So we need these information. If you want to do a project, you need these. We need data. Second, we need email or emails. Third, obviously, we need to ensure that we are clear with something called send classification. Fourth is an optional one, but still you should be asking the question on publication list. Publication list, is it all subscribers what we will be using to send the email, or is a publication list will be used? Best practice is to use a publication list. So we need to have answers for all these questions. Then only we can begin the project. Okay. So this is the requirement from the client. This is the requirement from the client. They want to have a sign-up program or a welcome program, or you can call it as an onboarding process. So as a SFMC consultant or an architect, so basically consultant or the person who works on this project, they should have answers for some of these questions. They need to have data. They need to have an email or emails. We have to ensure that which send classification will be used. And very importantly, are we sending a commercial email or is it a transactional email? So any project, if there is an email involved, then we can call it as an email program. If it is related to any automation related, there might be scenarios that it is only related to data or data, where we need to format the data, where we need to cleanse the data or make sure that the data is hygiene before we make use it of anywhere. Now, based on these things, you need to have all these elements to start your project. So you should talk to your seniors, team members, and now I'll keep this open. If I want to achieve this project, we need to have a Q&A. What is Q&A now? So you need to question related to data or emails, whatever it takes. Okay. So without having answers for all these major questions, probably there might be more questions. You need to have a clarity on these things, then only we can keep moving. So what all the questions? I'll put some of them first, and I'll keep this forum open for you people to discuss. Okay. Or you can question me. First question for me, where is the data? Where is the data? Is my first question. How is it coming to SFMC and where? Means when it comes to where, I'm talking about list or data extension. This is my second question. Okay, related to data. Third one is fields. Which are the fields we have it? It's a question around fields. It's a question around fields. Okay, like first name, last name, key. Okay, and very importantly, my very important question is, according to SFMC, what will be used as subscriber key or contact key to send email? This is very, very important. What will be used as a subscriber key or a contact key to send email? A, is it using email address? Do you have, do you means I'm asking this question to my client, my TL, my senior tech lead, based on my position, to whomever I can question. Do you have a logic to generate subscriber key, or will it be given something like this, something around this one? So this is not a best practice. Don't use email address such as subscriber key as the best practice. Try to use subscriber key, which is not an email address. Okay. Do you have a logic to generate subscriber key, or will it be given? How it will be given, we should discuss. There will be a lot of follow-up questions on this one. Next question. How many emails? How many emails should be sent for this program or project? Who will build the email? Seventh question. Okay. Is it having dynamic content and personalization? What is next? When should the email go out? Okay, when should the email go out? What is the frequency of data coming to SFMC? Where is the sign up program happening? Program happening. How is the email address collected? Okay, you can have follow-up questions on this one. How is the email address collected? Where it is collected? Example, website. Is it a website? Is it a pop-up form on website? Is it coming from point of sale? That is POS. Okay. And many more. Okay, I'll keep this thing as an open. So all these are the questions which I'll be asking, and some of them which I'll be asking is the publication list. What is the publication list we need to use? Second one, we need to know send classification. That is A, sender profile, B, delivery profile, and C, we will be going with classic can spam priority. Can spam priority, which is commercial or transaction. Every time it's better to ask it, what is sender profile will have? Sender name and sender email address. Or you can call it as from name and from email. You can go with any name, it's fine, but it's one and the same. Delivery profile, we'll discuss about it. Can scan. Obviously, it should be a commercial one or it might be a transaction one. These are the questions what I ask before I start any project. That is the one which I want. So when they say that they want to go with a sign up program, welcome program, or onboarding program, I need all these information. If all these information is ready, I'll start the project. If all these information is not ready, then probably I'll be asking these basic questions to them. They might have more questions, they might come up with more answers. So answering answers for all these things, then you can start doing the things what you want to do, like in the tool. Now, I'll keep this open to all of you people to question me on this, and I might be answering most of your questions, or I will be giving you people a time to think over it. So now it's the people who are here to question me on this particular project. If people can mute and unmute yourself, anyone has any questions, do let me know. It's better to question me on this so that we are on the same page. No questions? If people can mute and unmute yourself.
Hi, Chandra.
Yes, Vijay.
Hi, Chandra. If we are collecting the data from POS or pop-up from the website,
Correct.
uh, so will it be going to landing page and from there it will be connected to the database or somewhere in the tool that we can get the data or CSV file or something like that. Um,
Correct. Now it depends on the answer from the client. So let's take this into the next level. Now you people are SFMC experts. I am the client for you. Okay. Now you ask me the question. I want people to ask questions so that now treat me as your client. Each one of you think that you are the consultants. I am the person who is giving the requirements for you people. You are always free to question me. So what is your question, Vijay? So if based on my answers, you will be thinking the solution. Solution is not still built. Solution is still not thought of.
yes, Chandra. The mainly the email address and other information of the client of the customer
Okay.
we need in some format. So in which format we'll get it or where is the landing page that we
Okay.
may get the data?
So to answer your question, Vijay, this project will be built in next 6 months to 1 year. Initially, we want to start off with that. Initially, to answer this question, currently we don't have any process to connect it with SFMC. So there is a website. We have a web form there. People fill the form there. We will give you the file in the CSV format every day before 9 a.m. So yesterday, anyone who has submitted the form for the first time in our website, that is stored in our database, okay, for your information. And we will be giving you the file in the morning before 9 a.m. And that file will have only the information of the people who have signed up yesterday. And that file will be used by you people, and you have to send the email before 11 a.m. every day, or exactly we expect you to send the email around 11 a.m. and file will be given to you before 9 a.m. in the morning every day. Are we clear? Hope this answers your question.
Yes, Chandra.
Perfect. And currently we are we are having only three fields in the website: first name, last name, email. First name, last name, and email. We can give you these three fields in the CSV file. If you think that you need more information, you can let me know. But these are the only three informations what we are collecting in our website for the first sign up form. Hope this also answers some of the additional questions, I guess. Any other questions?
Yeah, hi Chandra. I have one question. Example, I have an e-commerce website.
Okay.
So it's built on some other technologies.
Okay.
So can we connect to the SFMC? Is that possible?
Yes, we can connect, but that will be our second phase of the project. This project will go in multiple phases. The
Okay.
first phase is what I explained. We are still not uh, thought of connecting from the website to Marketing Cloud yet. If we think about it, will come as the second phase of it. First phase is what I explained currently. Yes, we can connect. Answer for your question, Kaushik. Can we connect external websites to Marketing Cloud directly? Yes, is the answer. How is what we have to learn later. Thank you. Next question.
And Chandra, actually,
And this
regarding
just a minute, Vijay. This questioning is not only for people who are new. Anyone who is in this call expecting them to question, you have to question it because that is very important. I hopefully people might have understood to whom I'm pointing out. I'm expecting questions from everyone. Thank you. Yes, Vijay, please continue.
yes, Chandra. Actually, we are sending three emails, as you said. So in the three
Perfect.
emails, will the
So
content be the same or content will be changing?
very good question. Very good question. So I'll be clear on this point. Thank you very much for bringing it that Ujjwal. Sorry, Vijay. There will be 4 emails sent. Okay, there will be 4 emails sent for the phase one. For the phase one, it will be 1 email sent. The first email content is still not shared with you people, which will be shared in down the line. So it will be totally 4 emails sent. For now, for the first phase, it will be only 1 email which will be sent, which is known as welcome email 1. Subject line pre-header, all these things will be shared from our team. And you people are experts of SFMC, you will build it in Marketing Cloud. Yes, next question. Very good question, Vijay. Thank you. So totally there will be 4 emails. We'll decide the phase 2 and phase 3 later. For the phase 1, we are planning to have, and you people can decide what you want to send, what you want to see, and others. But currently, we are just sending only 1 email. Welcome email will be only 1. Yes, next question.
Hi, brother. Do we need to have mandatorily a publication list or can we go without it?
Sorry, come again.
Do we need to have a publication list mandatorily or can we?
It is a best practice, Darshan. It's not
Okay.
mandatory, but it is a best practice.
Okay, fine. Thanks.
Or else all subscribers will be used as publication list. Remember that point.
Yeah, got it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Next question. I know you might have questions or questions might come up later. So feel free to question me on this at any point of time as and when we connect. So this is the project and we are expecting this project to be live from the first of coming month. Okay, are we good? If you feel that the timeline is not achievable, no, Chandra, we need more time. So you have to justify that. As I mentioned, we are giving the file with first name, last name, and email address for you people every day morning, and that too very specifically, it will be only the people who have registered yesterday because we don't have a real-time connection with SFMC. So you have to send only 1 email before 11 a.m. yesterday, and we want this to be live from 1st of July. That is the timeline for this project. Everyone is good? Anyone is having any question? If you are having any question, please question me over the email. Okay, I'm always there, or you can arrange a call with me. But I want this project to be live before 1st of July. From 1st of July, we are expecting the emails to go out, or at least by the 2nd of July for all the people who sign up from our website on 1st. So second, we will be sending the email to the people who are registered on first. Third, it will be for second one. Fourth, you people now know the logic how it goes. Okay. So with this, I'll be stopping this recording. This is the project what we want to do. And we want this to be live by 1st of July. Means it should be taking and sending the emails at least by 2nd. That's the expectation from this project. And phase 2, we will discuss on welcome, or you can call with any name, onboarding process, sign-up program or others. As I mentioned, at the end, we're expecting, as Darshan question, can we link it to, that is external website directly linked to Marketing Cloud and all the other things. So I was expecting this question. Okay, so no one question on this one, but still, no worries. I know it takes time for few people to think around it. So take your time. So we have plenty of time to cover this, and it doesn't need much time, but still. Thank you very much. So I'll be stopping this recording, expecting more questions as and when we connect. As and when we connect, this will be recorded and we will be moving over. And probably we will be designing this project together. As I mentioned, Chandra Prasad is your client and Chandra Prasad is your technical lead or consultant. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.